Welcome back to Tonghacks channel. In this video, I will show you how to share Instagram Reels on WhatsApp using your iPhone. First of all, go to Instagram app and look for any Reels on your homepage that you want to share, or you can go from your Explore page, or you can go to a profile. For example, in this profile, I want to share this Reel post to WhatsApp. So there are two methods. The first one is you can tap and hold the post until some options appear and then click on share. Or you can choose the second methods, which is you need to open the post first and then click on the paper plane icon over here just below the post. Choose share to and click on the WhatsApp icon. So there are two methods, and then you can choose whom to share these reels to, or you can share it as your WhatsApp status. You can even choose more than one person at a time. Just click on the name until the check symbol appears in the color blue. After you're done selecting the person, you can click next and it will be forwarded to them. That's all. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video, subscribe for other tutorial videos, and leave your thoughts in the comment section below. See you guys!